They're ready to attack.
Whoa! Bailey, you're gonna fall! You stupid dog!
Oh my god, do not jump on there. No. No. No!
I got it! Gentle Bentley. No.
He feels we may be back at a 9/11 level of fear. Now remember, 9/11 was 3,000 people. It was.
Did you find the tub, huh? Did you find it?
Oh, he's not gonna do it now. Seriously?
Good boy.
Happy Father's Day! Watch out, the SWAT might be coming. There goes the SWAT.
Oh!
Willow. Get out of there.
Depend on us every day. Watch Fox 5 News weekends.
Flying goat.
No way!
这是家里目前最火的猫窝。这个他俩竞争有1年了，就为它。Roger. Roger. What's she doing?
What was that? It's just so funny to see a head pop out of there.
Go. Oh!
Keep going, baby. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Nice.
Who let the dogs out?
Oh.
you.
All right, that's how you tenderize your kids.
What do you get from a glass of Tropicana?
You have to go to bed. You have to get off the couch.
Oh, bad kitty.
But it's my turn.
No. No, no, Daisy. No, Daisy.
Wait, Sam!
Ow!
这是家里目前最火的猫窝。这个它俩。
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. What's the matter? What happened?
Oh my gosh, she's so.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, stay away. You're in my zone. Back up. Back up. Nope, back up.
Bailey, stop it.
Well, it's official, guys. Loki decided he wanted to be a dog today. Loki, you're wild.
What? Oh, she fell out. Oh my, what the, you got your teeth stuck. Gotta say mama. Good job.
Cowboy opened the door to let himself in, but he and Ollie can't get past the guard.
What are you doing just sitting up like that? Huh? You like sitting like that?
Sheldon, are you coming through? Why can't you come around like most people?
Willow.
The other side's open. Can't keep him out.
Specialist about Fasenra.
You probably think all cats are the same. Either weak or
I told you. Whole attack cat then boot gone.
Good job. Uh-oh. Went the wrong way. You were a good boy, Mr. Bobo. Good job. Kiki. Ooh, spooky eyes. Kiki. Ooh, spooky eyes. Kiki. Ooh, spooky eyes.
This is just like that one night when you let him cut your finger. Oh.
somebody help me.
Okay. Oh, look, it put his arms right back up. Watch, I'll put him back down. Just watch. Ready? I'll put it back down. Wait.
We have to figure a way to keep that open.
I know.
I think we have sticks. Oh, shoot.
Oh.
Well, that lasted a whole 2 seconds.
Look at you with the new outfit. With your oh, but oh, that's gonna go on the very video. Oh, she likes her bag. Oh, what a good girl.
You ready to fight? Come on. Let's fight then. Come on. Come on. Pew, 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 pew. What you saying? Put him up. Put him up. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Come on. Pew, 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 pew. Got you. Okay? Hold it. Okay, you ready?
Now when you have to open and give it a chance. Oh.
Oh my God. Otto. What are you doing?
The squirrel doesn't know it can go up the tree. This has been going on for quite a while already, and I don't see an end in sight. I think I'll have to stop Vince so we don't kill the poor squirrel.
这是家里目前最火的猫窝。这个他俩竞争有1年了，就为它。